Hi, and welcome to HK Engineering in beautiful Pauling, Bavaria. I'm Nicole, and today I have the honor of presenting this very special frame-off restored 300 SL Coupe. Hard to believe that this beauty of a gullwing was actually tucked away in a US warehouse for decades. It wasn't until 2018 that HK acquired it, and since many hours of expertise and hard work have revived its original intrigue. In February 1955, this car was delivered to the Mercedes agency in New York. Our team has fully restored its original appeal, marked by the outside DB190 graphite gray color matching the red leather interior 1079. This US spec gullwing has very rare to find ex-factory details. Just look at the curvaceous rudge wheels and the early model concave shaped Mercedes stars. Come a little closer and you'll see it is actually slightly bent inward. This car's unique history, as well as its full restoration process at HK, has been documented in all detail. We even have a book that comes with the car. This book covers all details of the restoration. Not just final results, but actually you can see paint job, frame, works to the chassis, interior, all the way going back to the engine, and oh, it's history, look. Only 2 previous owners. Wouldn't you love to be next? I look forward to you joining us next time. Let me tell you, it will be alarming.